Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set default printer to your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you want to set a printer to your default and if you fail to set default printer, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. If you have tried and unable to set default printer, then here are the fixes. Go to Bluetooth and devices from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and here choose printers and scanners. Click on it. Here you will find your printer and scroll down and you will find let Windows manage my default printer. If you enable this feature, then you can't set a default printer as per your choice. So first disable this feature and thereafter go to the printer which you want to set a default printer. Click on it and choose set as default. So problem is here, if your Windows manage your default printer options enabled, then you can't change your default printer. If you enable it, then you cannot set your printer as default as per your choice. So if you want to change or set your printer as default, you must disable the feature let Windows manage my default printer. Simply click on set as default. That's all.